welcome back to the channel. I know this is not my normal setting, but I'm just now coming from the gym and today is a grocery shopping day, so I have to get some food for the house. The food stamp that I received has dropped, unfortunately, so we're only getting like $300 now on food stamp. So I want to bring you guys with me and show you how I'm going to make this $300 work. So come with me. I'm here at Costco. We're gonna go into Costco to get, you know, bulk supplies like paper towels, dishwashing soap, and little bulk stuff. Now I apologize if I look a little ashy. I'm coming from the gym. I've been up early this morning, which is something else that I've been trying to do new, is waking up earlier. I feel like I have more time in the day to do stuff and I feel overall better. So come with me as I make my $300 work for my family of three. Why am I so early, y'all? There is a line. No!
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, look, when we were small. Someone's been here and there. The stockings were full. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready.
So everything came up to $166.81. We did the food stamp $95.71. That's literally all my daughter's stuff, along with the oil, and then the rest was the paper stuff that came up to like $70 and whatever cents. So we have basically $5 remaining to get meat and rice and other stuff at the Caribbean supermarket. So we're leaving Costco right now. Let's go to the Caribbean supermarket. So that Costco run was okay. I mean, $166.78 was spent there from paper towels, plates, cups, and stuff like that. So I don't really buy fruits at Costco because whenever I buy fruits at Costco, the fruits always go bad so fast. So I don't buy fruits and like you know, onions and stuff like that at Costco at all. So I do that at the a Caribbean supermarket. It's called Bravo. I don't know if you guys know Bravo, but I do all the extra stuff at Bravo. So now I'm going to Bravo. Bravo is going to get me some meat, some rice, stuff like that, because it's way more affordable. At Bravo, it's way more affordable. So we're heading to Bravo to do the rest of our shopping. We have $205 remaining. So let's head to Bravo real quick. I look so crazy. Oh my God, I'm a mess.
Kick the type of that only winners can. Call me Mr. Itchy in a hand. I been a man, moving like a businessman. Mobbing Dolo, probably canceling our dinner plan. Keep my lungs full of gas with some gold on my collar. Acting stingy with these Benjis, I need every dollar. Got a Dutchie full of spice and a Spice Girl choosing. Got 'em mad at the guard cause they product ain't moving. I've been heavy stepping on them like a triple chin. I'm like, what you mean? Please come again. Steady playing games, but they never win, no. Scoring every time I touch down like the end zone. Told them I cannot apologize, I keep it bug 50. My beginning came from winning, you ain't gotta with me. I'm the top tier shotter, this is not for the LO. Putting on my face and putting in my relo. Throwing hands at your public school. Sound like me. Probably smash away your cousin too. Sound like me. Bending corners while I'm bending rules. Sound like me. All that you talking, it ain't nothing new. Tell them put it in my hand with no lip service. I been a man, I been working. Put it in my hand with no lip service. I been a man, got my wrist working. Ayy, levitating only like a legend can. All my be slapping like 11 hands. Got 'em playing catch up, they in last place. Serving does this like a drag race. Dummy think he winning, make me Ellen Mayo. I'm with my yellow bone mommy, whip color mayo. And while you on your way to clocking, on my way to Keiko's. I know that all you do is hate, that's all you had to say though. I give not a single how you feel to be real. They been bluffing, they don't know just how it feel to be real. Pulling weight for the squad, winning at the tug of war. He ain't put you on no game, shawty, what you for? Nothing less and nothing more than the illest in it. Bending corners on my pivot, doing donuts, doing digits. Got my hoodie cushions in it, I'm a legend. Used to pick her up at 7, had her back around 11. Throwing hands at your public school. Sound like me. Probably smash away your cousin too. Sound like me.
So $144 at Bravo. That was something. So now if we spent $144, we had $210 left back on our food stamp card. So we spent $144. That means we had $56. So we have $66 remaining, and I'm going to go to Walmart. I need 2 baby cereal for my baby, a maple syrup to make her cereal. I need cereal for my boyfriend, almond milk for my boyfriend, mac and cheese for my baby, and eggs. And that's where I buy my eggs, at Walmart, because if y'all didn't know, Walmart sell the 2 huge trays of eggs. It comes in a box. It's 2 big trays, but like $5. I mean, I think one of the trays hold like 36 eggs, I think, is in one tray, and you get 2 trays of 36 eggs for $5. Whatever remainder I have, I'll see if I can grab 2 big bottles of juice. Let's do that.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy. 이대로 멈췄으면 좋겠어, 둘이. Don't take your eyes off me, baby. You're the one that I need. 솔직히 말해볼게. 너무 Something about you. Something about you.